Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. If you guys are new here, welcome and thank you guys for stopping by. I really hope you guys do enjoy my channel and you guys actually subscribe. I would really appreciate that. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing one of my dirty little secrets with you guys. And I'm a little ashamed, but it's okay. You know, I'm gonna get it done today and I'm sure I'm gonna feel so much better about it. And if you guys do know what dirty little secrets are, let me know what's your dirty little secret. My dirty little secret that I'm about to tackle today is my refrigerator and my freezer. We moved in our house in December and we are now in June. And guys, I have yet to clean out this refrigerator and freezer, like pull everything out and clean it down. Usually, like, you know, if we have a spill or anything, I'll get a cloth and I'll wipe it down. But other than that, I have yet to clean out this refrigerator. So I know for sure that it's bad, you know, but yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. The reason why I wanted to get this done is we're gonna go to Walmart to pick up our groceries. And it's 2 o'clock right now and we have to go pick them up at 4. So I have to try my best to hurry up and get that done before 4. And yeah, so hopefully I can get it all done. I think I could, but I'm just gonna like take everything out and clean it up and then obviously put everything right back and show you, and I'll make sure I show you guys how it looks and all that. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, you guys should definitely keep watching, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you know what to do. And let's just get right into it. So this is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna show you guys, you know, just all that we have in here. This is the freezer. You guys, I know you guys see that spot right there. Like, guys, don't judge me, but it's okay because we're gonna take care of it right now. And yeah, so that's just, these are bananas, frozen bananas for when I do make banana bread. I like to freeze them just so that they don't get too bad. And yeah, so about to pull everything out and get into it. Guys, that was like, oh my God, it's so sticky and oh my God. Dude, who freaking used the mayonnaise last, bro?
What happened to it? You dropped it?
Because it wasn't, it. Like, only if you guys see this mess. I think that it's Danaya because she's been making her sandwiches lately on her own. She's trying to be independent, but I'm upset. I really am. I know I'm laughing, but I'm really upset because like it's everywhere. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on, guys. It literally went everywhere. Everywhere. It was on my pants. I got it cleaned off, but it's everywhere. All right, guys, let's get back to it.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time.
Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys what everything looks like. So this spot up here, so you guys can really see how bad this is, guys. Once again, guys, no judgment zone, please. But these are real life, you know, messes, and you know, we're gonna get it done. Give you guys some motivation today. Hopefully any of you guys get motivated to go ahead and tackle some of your to-do lists for today. So yeah, gotta give this a good wipe down. And I'm just gonna do this one, the refrigerator first, and then I'll go to the freezer because I don't want the things in the freezer to be out too long so that they might, you know, defrost. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get my vacuum cleaner, and I'm gonna use this little guy. Yeah, I'm gonna suck up all the stuff that's in the refrigerator so that I don't have to do it with the rag. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So for instance, you see all this.
I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when it's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time, I can get it.
I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this head instead and see if it'll help, because the other one was kind of hard. So let's see if this one would help.
Off my mind, oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark.
Yeah, so much better. It's actually a brand new little head. I haven't used this yet, so this is the first time I'm using it.
I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you.
Start off with putting everything on in these sections, and then I'll start with inside of the refrigerator. So I am gonna wipe down underneath everything because obviously some stuff may be sticky underneath. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And Zanaya is just putting away the things that were in the dishwasher because that is her chore. Her chore is to empty out the dishwasher. So that's what she's doing right now. So she'll be in the video, just don't mind her.
I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. A million in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope.
It's currently 3:33 and I did finish both the refrigerator and the freezer, and I am so proud of myself because I finished it on time. So like I said, we have to grocery shop. That's why this fridge looks really empty. So yeah, so everything's nice and clean. I honestly really love how everything turned out. It feels so much better when you have a clean space. I've been wanting to get to this for the longest, and I'm just so happy that I finally got to it. And yeah, so this is how the freezer looks. The freezer is cool. We also have a deep freezer, so mostly everything is in our deep freezer. This is some of the things that we use constantly, so that's why they're in here. But yes, I did get rid of that stain. But yeah, so I'm really happy how everything turned out. I'm probably gonna go ahead and clean. I know you guys can see the fingerprints and all that on this refrigerator, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and clean that up and then just clean up the kitchen a little bit because yeah, Anthony cooked last night. Do you see this? Do you guys see this? How my freaking stove looks? But yeah, he cooked last night, and for him and the girls. And I'm actually gonna put these in a bowl because he just puts them in the refrigerator just like that. So I'm gonna store them in a bowl, and then also clean the stove and the dishes. These are some of the things that were in the refrigerator that need to be thrown away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and just clean up the kitchen a little bit so that when the groceries come, I'm just ready to just go ahead and put them in the refrigerator.
Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes surrounding me, baby. I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers?
Okay, so we got some dried pineapples, some Eggo waffles with chocolate chip. Then we also have 2 boxes of Pringles, the variety pack. There's barbecue, cheddar cheese, original, sour cream. And then we have some Tombstone pepperoni pizzas. And back here, we have some nuggets. Then we have some orange juice, some French toast sticks. We have 2 almond breeze milks. One of them is unsweetened and one of them is the vanilla brand. The vanilla flavor. Then we have some Thomas bagels. We have plain, and then we have a cinnamon raisin. Then we have bananas, Hawaiian buns, 2 things of eggs. We have some apples, some carrots, some lemons, some avocados, some onions, and then we have this Sara Lee bread. We do usually get Sara Lee bread, but it's not this kind. It's the thicker kind. So which is okay because Sara Lee does make good bread, but this is actually my first time trying out this bread, but it's wheat. Then we have some stuff for some body wash. So we have the Vino, which is for the kids, and then we have some Dove for us, and then we needed some dryer sheets. This is a Downy. Then we have some of the ranch seasoning, the dried kind. Then we have some sazon, some pancake mix, honey, syrup, some cream cheese, some turkey breast for sandwiches. I think I said carrots already. We have some green beans, some shredded cheese. We have over here, this is actually my favorite cereal. It's the Kellogg's Special K fruit and yogurt. Tricks for the kids. We have some ice cream sandwiches. Hamburger helper. We recently started using Spam with it, and it actually tastes really good, guys. I just fry up the Spam a little bit, and then I just put it in here, and it actually tastes honestly really good. And we have some coconut water, I believe, like coconut water. So we got 8 of these for myself, and some paper towels down here. And that's about it, guys, for this grocery haul. So I'm gonna go, like I said, I am gonna put everything away, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away so you guys can see me. I'll just do a quick time lapse, and after that will just conclude the video. Inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.